Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Snapchat without saying their username, basically without knowing their username. So what you want to do is open up Snapchat and click add friends. So usually people will give you their usernames because it's usually quite easier to add them. For example, if their name is just Ben, you get a lot of BBens, for example. If you want to add someone without typing their username, you'll be better off just typing in their. Just a second to see if I type them in right. For example, their last name, Ben Schwinn. For example, if I want to add my friend Ben Schwinn, I just click add. But if I didn't know his username, that would be the best way to add him, for example, and just by typing in his name, basically. I know it's a bit confusing, but yeah. And the other way you can add people is just by adding their snap code, and that's pretty much it. But for the snap code, they gotta send it to you, and you gotta scan it, and that's it. So hope this helped. If it did, see you next time, and like and subscribe.